Hello everyone, Reece here from Smith's Estate Agents. Today I am on Roger Beck Way, one of the most popular sought after cul-de-sacs in all of SA2, and today I've got a house behind me called Our L'Amour. It is a 5-bedroom detached property with 2 bathrooms, lovely upgraded kitchen, and there are just so many things we need to talk about, so let's get inside and have a look around. There we go then everyone, now we are in the kitchen of Our L'Amour, and as you can see you've got these lovely solid granite worktops, a fully integrated and plumbed fridge and freezer, and then just look at all these appliances, all NEFF. It's a real chef's dream in here. So there we go then guys, this is the garden of the property on Roger Beck, and we've got Cwtch just by here, which is this lovely outside summer house, and then what you've got is this fantastically well manicured garden. Just round the corner then you've got a little workstation as well, and then the remnants of what used to be a pond just down the bottom end as well. So there we go then everyone, that is my property for you today down on Roger Beck Way. The property is called Our L'Amour, and it is in a fantastic family area for you as well. On the main drag between Sketty down towards the uplands as well, you've got everything on your doorstep. So if anything in this video is ticking your boxes, reach out to me with the information below and I'd love to show you around. See you soon guys, bye bye.